Hi, my name is Emily, and I'll be taking a deep dive into Barbara Kruger's You Are Not Yourself. Barbara Kruger created the piece You Are Not Yourself in 1981. This piece was made with appropriation art, where materials are recycled to create a new art piece. The mirror was the source of appropriation. This piece, like many of Kruger's works, falls into the social construct of de Beauvoir. De Beauvoir says that men use the category of women or a woman to group together feminine behaviors they do not understand. If a man does not understand a woman, it can become irrelevant, and he maintains his position of power by ignoring them. Kruger used the mirror to depict that a woman often does not understand themselves, just like men do not either. Eventually, the inner voice whispering insults establishes power and takes over a woman's conscious thought. The words used in the piece, You Are Not Yourself, are thought to depict society's lies. Written in a smaller font, Not shows that women can change instead of listening to society say, you are yourself, and you're always going to be yourself. Kruger implies that a woman is powerful and can provide a family, job, and life for herself without a man, and she can do it on her own. The broken reflection of the mirror symbolizes the confusion of the average woman. An unbroken mirror often is used to represent a clear future. But since this mirror is broken, it alludes to more turmoil for women in life. The staggered lettering creates a more broken effect on the piece because usually Kruger's letters are written together in one box. Also, without the addition of Kruger's iconic red coloring of the boxes, the piece seems darker and deeper than all the rest. The shards of the mirror are also representative of the roles women are supposed to achieve in society, such as being a loving wife, an amazing mother, and a working woman at the same time. The intense pressure to measure up to these roles leaves women picking which role to sacrifice and which ones they need to keep. A common idea from this piece is that society builds up the roles and attributes of the perfect woman, and that is all they see, and the mirror, what they see in the mirror is like a glass castle that they can't break out of. Thank you.